In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to go live on Facebook page. Before we jump in, there are two important requirements to keep in mind. Your Facebook account needs to be at least 60 days old, and your page should have at least 100 followers. If either of these isn't met, the Go Live option might not appear or won't let you start a broadcast. Assuming you're good to go, here's how to get live quickly and confidently. Start by opening your Facebook page. Make sure you're using an account that has admin or editor access to the page, since only authorized roles can start a live stream. From the page home, you'll see the Post Composer area. That's where you create posts, upload photos, and in this case, start a live stream. Look for the live video option in the Composer or the Create area. Click it, and Facebook will open the live setup screen, sometimes called Live Producer. Give your browser permission to access your camera and microphone if prompted. Without that, your video or audio won't appear. Now choose how you want to capture your video. If you're using a built-in webcam or a USB camera and microphone, select the camera option. This is the simplest path and lets you go live with just a few clicks. If you plan to broadcast from streaming software, choose the software option. That's ideal for advanced setups like scenes, overlays, or screen sharing managed in an external tool. Pick the option that fits your setup and then look at the preview to confirm your framing, lighting, and audio levels. A quick glance here can prevent common issues like a muted mic or a poorly lit image. Next, add a clear title and a helpful description. Think of the title as your headline, short, specific, and compelling so people know exactly what they'll get. In the description, explain what you'll cover, who the stream is for, and any context viewers need. If there's a call to action, like stick around for Q&A at the end, include it here. This text appears to your audience before and during the stream, so it's worth a moment to get it right. When everything looks good, click Go Live. You'll see a brief transition and then a live indicator. Speak clearly, check comments periodically to engage your audience, and keep an eye on your connection status. When you're finished, your broadcast will be available as a video on your page for viewers who couldn't make it live. And that's all you need to go live on your Facebook page with confidence.